It is the season. It is the season for figs. These beautiful black figs. I love these figs. One of my favorite. Sometimes you see them listed as mission figs, Italian black figs, sometimes purple figs. I don't really care as long as you're using figs. Now, I do want to tell you a little bit of difference in your figs. This fig is a very young fig, meaning that it should have maybe stayed on a little bit longer on the fig tree. This fatty, delicious, right? What's the difference? We're going to cut them open and let you know. So when you cut these open and you have a young fig, now they're not delicious. They just need to be used differently. They have this a little bit harder on the outside, not quite as soft on the inside and purpley, right? But when you get one that's really ripe and a big fatty, all of a sudden the inside has this beautiful pink and red hue and sometimes even almost brown. And when you squish it, so delicious. It's like all the goodness of the figs, right? Now, does this make this fig bad? It does not make this fig bad. It just means that this fig is going to be the one you're going to turn into syrup. And this fig is the one you can turn into a cookie, eat on a fruit plate, more enjoyable. Can you put both of them in the syrup? Absolutely. Can you just eat them because they're delicious? Yes, you can do that too. That being said, do not be intimidated by your figs. It is the most delicious thing. It's a great season starter. So what we're making, or what you're going to make, is a fig syrup, right? So fig syrup. We don't have a stove here on the magic of Instagram. So what we're going to do is I'm going to walk you through this step. You're going to take 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, and a 1/4 cup of your favorite alcohol. I know I said it. Anything you can put in there: bourbon, rum, cardamaro, amaro, Averna, whatever you're feeling, you're going to put in there, along with a little bit of vanilla and any other flavor you like. And you're going to steep your syrup over a medium-high heat. It's going to get a little tiny bubbles in it, and then you're going to put your figs cut in 4. Let's just do that really quick. We're going to cut it in 4 and score it. Cut in 4 into the syrup, and you're going to turn it off. So you have this nice simmering syrup. It's all translucent, and you're going to put it in 4s in there, and you're going to turn it off and let it sit on the stove until it becomes room temperature. And what you're going to be left with is just these beautiful steeped figs, and it's like so delicious, and they're in their own syrup, and it's just like so lovely. Now, do we use this syrup straight like this in our cocktails? We do not, because we all know I hate the seeds. So we will strain this off and use it in our cocktail, but you can follow us at DesignakedDrinker.show for that recipe on a Figgy Manhattan. Happy holidays.